Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add close all apps option in the context menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you whenever we right mouse click, you can see this is a context menu, right? So we don't have any close all apps option in this context menu by default. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link, and after that just hit enter and it will download one file. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click on it. Now click on yes, click on OK. So now let us check if it has added the close all apps option in the context menu or not. So just right mouse click and click on this show more options. Now you can see close all apps. Now let us check if this option really gonna work or not. So let me open two different programs. So you can see I've opened two different programs. You can open multiple programs or softwares or applications. And now on your desktop screen, just right mouse click and click on show more options. Now just click on this close all apps. So now you can see all the open programs or softwares or applications are closed all at once. So it really works. So if you want to remove it again, then just open back any web browser again and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link, and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard and it will start downloading one file again. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it again like before. Now click on yes, click on OK. Now let us check if it has removed the close all apps option from the context menu or not. So let us right mouse click on show more options. Now you can see close all apps option is gone. So by using this method, you can easily add close all apps option in the context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.